Hello everyone, in today's video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 battery-powered lawn mowers available in 2022. Since many years ago, gas-powered lawn mowers have given way to electric lawn mowers. We buy new lawn mowers every year, thus this video will be useful for anyone who want to switch from gas to battery-powered lawn mowers. Let's get started. The number 1 product on our list is Greenworks 40 volts 25,302 push lawn mower. GMAX40 Greenworks the electric mower has discovered a way to avoid this frustration, and it is truly a simple solution. Using 2 batteries, Greenworks was able to provide up to 70 minutes of runtime from the GMAX 40. Simultaneously, the 20-inch cutting deck saves you time and your legs. It's also a little wider than most of the other electric mowers on the market. The market will require fewer passes among your lawns. The Greenworks 40V range of tools is excellent, and the G25302 is no exception. It has all of the features you require, and the majority of them work extremely well. It is also very reasonably priced and will outperform almost any competitor. The number 2 product on our list is Worx WG779 40 volts PowerShare 4.0 lawn mower. Worx WG779 40V PowerShare 4.0 on the Worx WG779 cordless lawn mower. The battery lawn mower is quickly becoming a popular option. The WG779 is a relatively new kit in the United States. As is, the block uses 224.08 hours batteries concurrently rather than one. Why? Because Worx wanted to standardize batteries across the board. This mower's range of cordless yard tools is indeed packed with features. In higher-end cordless mowers and can certainly cut a lawn up to 5,500 square feet. On a single charge, equivalent to a tennis court and a half, as do many cordless lawn mowers. The Worx WG779 is powered by 240V lithium-ion batteries and an electric motor, which charge in about 4 hours. Overall, the batteries are removed from the mower for charging and storage. This is a fantastic mower that I actually rate higher than. Because of its lightweight portability and excellent build quality, the Spear & Jackson 37-can cordless rotary lawn mower. The number 3 product on our list is Makita XML03CM1 brushless lawn mower. Brushless lawn mower Makita XML3CM1. The Makita XML3 cordless lawn mower has a medium-width cutting deck and a reasonably powerful motor that produces some of the low sound levels at 70 dBA. The machine measures 70 dB from the user's position at the handlebar, which is quite low in the class. In comparison to other electric mowers, let alone its gasoline-powered predecessors, the Makita also has a long battery life. This enables an estimated 11 plus 5 13 square feet of turf to be trimmed on a single charge performance. This puts it at the top of the class in terms of battery life, and the Makita XML3 is a nice enough addition. It is peaceful. The motor is strong, and the batteries last a long time. The Makita XML3 is a basic mid-size mower that provides customers with plenty of runtime thanks to its 2018-volt battery system. The mower also has plenty of power in a conveniently located battery meter. The number 4 product on our list is Snapper XD 82 volts Max electric lawn mower. Electric lawn mower Snapper XD 82V Max. Snapper has been in the mower business for decades, and their dedication to excellence is evident. This mower has all of the features you want in a mower and is self-propelled, which is a huge plus. The Snapper XD 82V Max is a significant upgrade. If you are looking for an electric mower because they are lightweight, another mower may suit you better. With the weight comes great durability, and the Smart Cut technology assists. This feature has more adjust power depending on the thickness and length of the grass. The amount of time you can spend cutting light grass and ensuring a quality cut on thicker grass at a trusted brand. A variety of features and bonuses make this self-propelled electric vehicle more powerful. One of the top 3 additionals on our recommended list. If you're looking to buy your first electric mower, you can't go wrong with this one. Take the plunge today and become a member of the electric mower community. The number 5 product on our list is Ego Power Plus LEN 2156. Cordless lawn mower with a full lithium-ion battery. The Joe Power Plus 21-inch LEN 2102 model provides a cost-effective way to get all the power of a large motorboat without the noise. The smell and inconvenience of using gas. This more will allow you to tear around your yard without the weight or annoyance of a gas engine. The end result should be a very quick mode that also saves you money, because you are not paying for gas to run. The Eco Power Plus 21-inch LEN 2102 has a unique feature in that it has more torque than some gas mowers. Despite running on battery, which is another feature worth mentioning, it can be fully charged in under an hour. Then you should get up to an hour's worth of run time if you want to get rid of gas poor cables, which this model provides. The same power or more, but with quieter operation and lower costs. If you want to learn more about lawnmowers or where to buy them, there are links provided. Check out the description and subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss out on future uploads.